Hey, listen. We at bowling. I'm here with cheap man right here. Cheap man right here. You know what I'm saying? He trying to say he gonna bust my ass. Yeah, all right. Yeah. No. I ain't got it right now, brother. Huh? I haven't bowled in like a minute, so I'm so dead ass, bro. I haven't bowled in a minute, cuz damn, he on that. Man, I ain't gonna lie. We gonna show y'all the scores through the game. I ain't gonna lie. I was talking shit. Well, it's only the first game. It's a warm up. Y'all know how y'all play Call of Duty and shit in 2K? Yeah, that's how I feel. He got 94. He got 85. Well, 94. But he got 85. I got 11. So, yeah. Done that damn quick, bro.
You gotta take a loss to your boss.
Shit. Like I said, I'm having fun. Shit. I don't give a fuck. I'm having fun in this bitch. I don't care. Well, I lost. So, yeah. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's 173 really. It's 73.
We're gonna talk back on that man.
Hold on.
Come on, recap. I think it's the first game 133, the second game 170.
Yeah, the whole total's right here.
Oh, shit, down. I ain't sure.
Okay, so yeah. Basically, altogether his total is 303. Mine is 118. So yeah, he won. I just really gotta, even though
we gonna get you right.
Yeah, it's all fun and games, you know what I'm saying, with me. I ain't really with that bench shit, but I just gotta get better at bowling, as I can see. Even though this nigga right here better than me. So, hey, I haven't bowled in a while. So, yeah, you know what I'm saying? But that's it for the video. I'm gone. You wanna say something, Zavi?
Hey, man. I'm coming back from my return, boy. Everything was down. I won't get him right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna join the league, won't get my nigga right. But right now, I'm getting a little janky.
I'm a little janky right now, you know what I'm saying? My hand kind of fucked up. I ain't gonna lie. My hand fucked up because of the bowling balls we had. So yeah, but no, y'all go subscribe to Zavi Campaign. His channel's gonna be in the link in my bio. Link down below. You know what I'm saying? Y'all subscribe to me, even if y'all new, subscribe to me. My name DonDonTV1, aka Adonis. You know what I'm saying? If y'all new to my channel. So yeah, and I'm gone. Y'all have a good evening. Yeah.